Etsy is a crowded marketplace. Millions of buyers search for unique handmade items every day. How do you make sure they find products? The answer is SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is all about making your Etsy shop and listings appear higher in search results. When someone types in handmade jewelry or knitted scarf, you want your products to be on the first page they see. The higher you rank, the more likely shoppers are to click on your listings. More clicks mean more traffic to your shop, and that means more sales for you. In short, good SEO can make or break your success on Etsy. Keywords are the words and phrases people use when searching on Etsy. Handmade soap, leather wallet, and personalized gift are all examples of keywords. The key to Etsy SEO is to find keywords that are relevant. They accurately describe your products, popular, lots of shoppers are searching for them, and low competition. You have a good chance of ranking for them. There are a few ways to find the right keywords. Etsy search bar. Start typing a product related to yours, and Etsy will suggest popular searches. Competitor research. Look at the titles and tags your successful competitors are using. And keyword research tools. These tools can help you find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Once you have a list of relevant keywords, it's time to use them in your listings. Now that you know what keywords to target, it's time to optimize your Etsy listings. Titles. Your product title is the most important place to use keywords. Include 2 to 3 relevant keywords in your title. For example, instead of beautiful blue necklace, try handmade blue necklace, beaded statement jewelry, gift for her. Descriptions. Use your keywords naturally throughout your product description. Tell a story about your product and highlight its unique features. Don't forget to use keywords in the first few sentences, as this is prime real estate. Tags. Etsy gives you 13 tag slots per listing. Use them all. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords. For example, if you're selling a blue knitted scarf, your tags could be scarf, knitted scarf, blue scarf, winter accessories, etc. Images. High-quality, well-lit images are crucial. Use all 10 image slots and showcase your product from different angles. Customer reviews are incredibly important for SEO. Etsy's algorithm favors listings with lots of positive reviews. Here are a few tips for getting more reviews. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to messages promptly and go the extra mile to make your customers happy. Ask for reviews. Include a thank you note with your orders and politely ask customers to leave a review if they enjoyed their purchase. And don't offer incentives for reviews. This is against Etsy's terms of service and can harm your shop's reputation. By following these tips, you can encourage more customers to leave positive reviews, which will boost your search rankings and attract even more buyers to your shop. In conclusion, mastering Etsy SEO takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, from keyword research to optimizing your listings and encouraging positive reviews, you can significantly increase your visibility, drive more traffic to your shop, and ultimately skyrocket your Etsy sales. Start optimizing today and watch your business grow.